Hello guys, and welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to fix some issue that most of us having during the screen recording on iOS device. So mostly people doing a screen record on their iPad or iPhone and found out that when they finish the record, they open up the video, there is no sound at all. So the problem from that issue is that you have forgot to turn on the microphone setting on the screen recording at the beginning of the time you're recording. So how to correctly using the screen recorder? Well, in order to do that, as you already know, iOS have integrated a recorded screen application within their iOS operating system. So in order to record this screen, you simply just drag down the top to the bottom. Yep, no, I mean drag down the control center, and you'll see that there's actually a screen recording right there, the logo. Or if you're not seeing this, screen recording button, go ahead into setting. Okay, you go into setting, you go into let's say searching. We're going to search for control center. Yeah, in this control center you will see a lot of control right there with the plus sign and the minus sign. So the way that you're not seeing the button, the recording button, because it is not yet have been added to the control center. So you're gonna look at the more section below and you will spot the word say screen recording. So you click on it to add the screen recording, and then back to home screen, scroll back, drag down the control center again, and you'll see the screen recording button right there. And then when you're doing the record, make sure that you have long press the record button right there, and you will see the word microphone on or off. If it actually say microphone is off, simply just go and turn it on, so that when you clicking the record button and it record the whole process, the whole video, and when you finish the recording you will hear the sound. And the problem that you're not hearing any sound just because of you don't turning this on. And if you're turning on and still having issue, no sound at all in the video, then there's probably a problem with your microphone, your hardware, microphone hardware. Or if you are attached to the headset, probably there's a headset issue. The microphone on your headset might miss performing, something like that. But most of the problem came from the button right there haven't turned it on. So if you are doing the screen recorded or something, make sure that you have long pressed the recorded screen before you start recording, and look at the below section to see whether there is a microphone turning on or off. If it is set that it is off, press it to turn on, tap back, and doing the record. So this is how most of us having issue, and hope that this video would help. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friend whoever had this issue, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.